of 15 and pregnant. Now, we are about to send out what? Guess. Part 4 of 15 and pregnant. Sunday coming. So, set up on yourself. Make sure you have no chips, no fruits, no ice cream and everything. You sit down and eat all of the dessert too because it's a got shot. So look out for part 4 of 15 and get pregnant.
Oh, hello. Come here.
Oh,
What happened the other night?
what you talking about?
Bob, stop take me for eat that. What happened the other night? Oh, you run left me.
Mama.
You yourself to pick one and me think you're gonna pick me.
Are
You
you
just
me
run.
choose? Are you me choose, mama?
Now tell me no
Are you
foolishness.
Are you me choose, man? Are you me choose? Me not choose them.
Listen, you need to touch. You say you touch. Oh, you
I don't
choose. I'm
understand.
gonna feel you touch me.
No, me touch. You don't feel me touch you big and run off. You remember good.
Stop playing with
Are
me,
you me
Bob.
choose? Are you me choose? Are you me
You
choose?
don't have no manners.
That's how man.
Look, girl. Look here, my daughter bigger and older than you, She
What's your
bigger
daughter business?
and she, listen what me say. Me say my daughter bigger and she older than you. She bigger than you. You know what I mean? So if you dey take my daughter man and they can rank yourself like you are not size. And plus you the worse they act like me a size. You deserve a bus ass.
So who go bust me house?
What you mean? What you mean? Let me find the switch and you will see what you mean. Wait there. What you mean? Little girl. Little girl. You see, when you go home, tell your dirty mama say.
My dirty mama?
She fit take up you in her hand and teach you the right way how to live and survive and have respect to people who are older than you.
You see, say you know no respect my mama dirty. Oh, you know say my mama dirty.
You're my dirty. I know her a long time.
So you know say you're mad friend.
Oh.
You know say you're no good, you're not a good friend.
You know why you stay so? Wait,
I'm
say
mad
me
at
a
you
good
from-
friend?
No, you're not a good
You
friend.
don't
You
know
chat
the...
mama.
No, that's why. You know what? You listen too much and you don't see for yourself. You listen from people. Me not take hearsay. Yes, of course, my mother did friend.
Yeah.
We no friend again. You understand? So you go home to your piece of cockroach foot mama. You see? Where look like a cobweb swarm up the wall in front. You see?
Yeah.
That's why the man where she take gone left her to another girl.
But that's why your man not
Yeah.
stay with you.
No. I not stay and stay with me. Your mama walk around and tie people, man. And take them away.
Why don't you tie your man?
No.
Put him on a leash.
No leech thing around here. Me know in the time thing. You and your mama go and go join. That's the sound no come from in our no generation. Yeah, me that kind of things.
No, I am a businessman. Anybody call me for a charter, me I take a charter because the carrier no run by water and it take money. So anybody say they have money, it's a you. Anybody know to call me to the work.
Yeah, because me know say you want good driver, so me just tell her.
So
Understand?
she hide me and no me not see her.
Look at the little girl. Where are you from? Inside Jenny, your mama want to me. Ah! Jesus Christ! Can you reach to this to me? Be your friend. I'm gonna come to you that and face it to me. And you come stop me. You can't reach to me, stop me.
I hope say I know you dirty boy you are texting her.
Which dirty
As
boy?
me hear you make some talk. Like say you're boy in a business, make sure say you're him not there. You understand? Make sure say you're him not there and my goddaughter there somewhere. I stay. And me go look for her now. And me no want hear say you and that boy in anything and make sure you don't bring him in my place. You understand?
Mommy, you're paranoid or something?
Yeah, me paranoid.
You come
Me
and
paranoid
say
to tell you the truth, you know there with crosses. Yeah, me the low. But make sure say you're not there with that idiot there. And so we see who paranoid or the low them the time there. 15 and she get pregnant. You understand? Yeah, 15 and pregnant. She get pregnant when she are 15. You don't know what me I say. Sunday. Sharp. Everybody set up themselves and look out for it. I'm out. Love you guys.
Man, you know, walk and fling on thing all over the place. When the baby them come, when they say no phone, no one. Me just want to know, say when that the baby they born, you go take care of it. I want her to make sure bring her a family court.
Me, you, now your daughter, now see my face, not family court, isn't it? So every baby born, I have to take care of baby. Me take care of baby house. What do you know?
Make sure. Me just come to find out what kind of plans you have. So make sure. Remember, say me the one, you know.
Remember,
I thought you know want to go to family court. Remember, me the one, you.